What's up, guys? This is Daniel Myra from Cryptodemia, the Academia for Cryptos. And in this video, I'm going to talk about if crypto coins are undervalued or overvalued at the present time. Make sure to watch until the end because I'm going to show you a bonus tip on how to use technical analysis to find the undervalued coins. So guys, let's get to it. So last week, I was with a couple of my friends and we were talking about this same subject. And some of my friends are into thinking that crypto coins are overvalued, and that's why the prices are so red right now. And my other friends are that the coins are undervalued and to buy the dip. So guys, I'm actually somewhere in the middle. I believe that a lot of these coins are overvalued and a lot of these coins are undervalued. So guys, let's be real here. A lot of these coins should not be in the market. Some of them are scams, some of them are not good at all. Some of them might be good, but the timing is not right. So I have a couple of criteria that I want to share with you to find the good undervalued coins. So number one, SEC regulation. So guys, SEC regulation is right on the corner, and we can't just be putting our funds anywhere like we did in 2017. You know, in 2017, we invested on any coin and it was 2xing in no time. Now we need to be very careful where we actually put our funds. We can't be just investing on whatever. So the SEC has been actually giving us, it has been hinting at us of what they're looking for in regards of the regulation on these ICOs and these cryptos. So they've seen that one of the criteria that they've hinted at is that the coins have to be somewhat decentralized. Also, that the company itself can't have conflict of interest. That it has to be a community that is actually having a say on the crypto coin. So that's why they ruled Ethereum out, because the Ethereum Foundation doesn't really get affected and it doesn't have a full conflict of interest in regards of the price of the coin. You know, now it's all a community and there's actually a use case. So those are kind of three criteria that I'm looking for. I'm looking for a real use case. I'm looking for decentralization, and I'm also looking for lack of conflict of interest in regards of the company that created it. So that's one of the things. And I got this website that was brought into my attention that is called arewedecentralizedyet.com, and it actually shows you how decentralized some of the companies are. They don't have each and every one of them, but they have some, you know, and it's good. And what I've been doing is I've actually had my long-term hold portfolio. I've been trying to hold safer coins, you know, coins that have more than one. As we see, a number of entities in control of more than 50% of the voting or mining power. We see that Bitcoin and Ethereum, they're decentralized right here. We see Ripple is not. So that's why I'm not really holding Ripple that much. You know, there's been a lot of rumors out there saying that, yeah, these guys, they know how to butter up the government, and they're actually very friendly, and that's why they're not going to get affected by it. But guys, that's all it is. It's just rumors. I'd rather just wait and see what happens and then deal with that, you know. Now, yeah, I mean, I'm just looking for coins that have more than one at least. So that's why Ethereum Classic got listed, as you can see. This is one of the criteria that actually a lot of these exchanges use. They try and look for this. That's why Ripple is not being listed yet. So, I mean, we kind of want to think like an exchange. We want to be investing in most of our long-term holding portfolio. We want to be holding safer coins that are not going to get affected by securities fraud. So, yeah, guys, that's one of my criteria. Number two, the coin needs to be fundamentally great, guys. What I mean with fundamentally great, I'm actually going to do a video about that in the future, so stay tuned and subscribe. But fundamentally great means having a great team, having a great idea, and also having the right timing, guys. You know, if we look at back in the day in the 1990s, if we were trying to do a social media website, it would not have worked because we didn't even have email that was massively adopted. So we need to be careful with this. We need to look at, yeah, there's a lot of great ideas, but is the timing right? is it actually going to work in this present time, or is it going to be working like in the future where another company is going to take advantage of the idea? So we need to be looking for that, and also we need to think of what needs to be used. What do we need in the market right now? You know, we're needing a lot of infrastructure. We're needing a lot of blockchains, but how many blockchains are really going to be in the market in the future? How many are really going to get adopted? So that's the question that we need to think. My third criteria is actually the bonus that I'm going to show you that nobody's using right now. And it's using technical analysis to find the good coins. So guys, assuming that the last two criteria that I gave you are correct, what we need to do is we actually need to find the coins that are not using marketing power right now. And if we use our common sense, guys, this makes a lot of sense, because a lot of coins here, I mean, I'm going to say EOS, and a lot of you are going to hate me for this, but it's true. I mean, these coins have so much money that they're not, and these money came from you guys. It came from your hard-earned money. So they're actually going to get lazy, guys, because they have so much money that they don't need to be efficient in their marketing power. They don't need to use every single penny in order, like, efficiently. They're just going to do it sloppy. And you don't want that, guys. You want a company that's actually going to use your funds efficiently. You are the investor, and at the end of the day, I mean, you worked for that money. You want it to be well spent. So if they're using their marketing power at this present time in the bear market, with their hype is at its all-time low, why would you be investing in that company? I mean, they're obviously not caring about your money. Just by that act, they're telling you that they don't care. So you need to be looking at coins where actually the hype has gone down, where their fundamentals are great, but their hype has gone down because they're actually not using the marketing right now. They're waiting for the bull market and the hype to come back to the crypto space, and then they're actually going to use this marketing power. So they just have their funds there. They're working on their project, on whatever they're doing, and they don't care about their rankings in CoinMarketCap. They just care about the project actually happening and giving fruition to it. So guys, I mean, I'm just gonna look at this. Is all random. I'm not here to tell you which coins are the best, which coins are gonna do well. I'm just gonna look at some things that are gonna catch my eye. Okay. So I'm just going down. So look, Icon. So if we look at Icon, it's at $2. Okay. And how do we use technical analysis for this? So what we do is we look at Icon, and then we go to Trading View. Okay. And we search ICX. So I found this one just now. I'm not saying Icon is the best. I'm not saying anything like that. I don't want to do any financial advice in this one. So guys, as you can see, Icon, it's pretty low, guys. I'm not going to say it's at an all-time low, but it's pretty low. So what this means, guys, you know, we only have this drop right here. It could potentially go to $1.54. But what this means, guys, is that the drop, if Bitcoin prices drop lower than right now at the current moment being 6,700, if they drop below 6,000, a lot of the coins that are using hype right now are going to get affected very, very hard. They're going to get slammed worse than coins that don't have any hype, because these coins have been dropping low, and they're pretty much like almost at its lowest. You know, they can't really drop any lower. And the reason for this is, if we actually look at value investing, how it works, we see that value investing, how it works really, if you don't know what value investing is, I'm going to give you a quick walk around on it. But how it works is you technically use balance sheets in the stock market or whatever to find the true value of a stock. And you see, okay, so say the true value of this stock is worth $15, because if you liquidate the company, the stock value is going to end up being $15. So if it's worth $15 and it actually gets there and it drops lower, the people that see the value, that are actually value investors, are not going to sell, because they know that this coin is actually not worth less than that. They're actually going to buy more. So just like that happens, there's people like that in crypto. They understand this, and they know that there's coins that are worth a lot, they're worth more than what they're currently priced at, because the market is not rational. So guys, Icon, for example, this could be a coin that could be considered the value is undervalued, and it doesn't have much more price to drop. So if it ends up dropping, a lot of these guys that are diehard Icon fans are going to keep buying because they love the project and they see a lot of value in it. Okay, so now let's keep looking. I'm going to give you a couple more examples. Okay, we see Aeon. I had Aeon before. I just wanted to talk about Icon. So if we look at Aeon, guys, we saw what happened all here, the irrational moments of crypto, and look what it's doing. And if we look at the CEO, Matt Spoke, the guy is absolutely brilliant. He understands this very well. He's not using his marketing campaigns right now. He's waiting for the right time. And yeah, the price has been dropping, but guys, if the Bitcoin price drops even more, there's not much leeway for it to drop more. There's not much leeway for it to drop a lot. So this would be a safe bet on the crypto markets. You know, I mean, a safe bet in regards of you know, price drops, but SEC regulation, this is already being like Icon and Aeon, they're getting there. You know, you might not know what's going to happen with these. So that's what I do, guys, when I'm looking for, I mean, mid risk. I'm looking for coins that are already undervalued and where they're not going to get as affected in a price drop. Okay, let's look at this one. I don't know what the price are at these. This is a really good coin. I actually do. I hold some of this. Okay, actually this one has still a little bit of leeway, but it's not that bad. As you can see, I mean, the price drop right here is not that bad compared to other coins out there, guys. I'm going to give you an example of a coin that has a lot of leeway for it to drop, so that you see what I'm talking about. See, EOS at the current moment is $10.38. If we look at it in trading view, let's look at this, guys. Look at the big drop that we could be affected by. You see this drop? This is all hype, guys. This is all hype. This is all hype from the mainnet launch, for everything. And guys, if Bitcoin prices drop, I'm not saying it's going to go all the way down here, but it has a lot of leeway, guys. It has a lot of leeway for it to go down. Okay, so we're looking for coins that don't have a lot of hype, where the fundamentals are great. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.